How to connect APIs to internal tools using Retool. Follow the instructions. Log into your Retool account and navigate to the Resources section. Create a new API resource by entering the base URL of your API. Set up authentication if required to ensure secure data access. Save the resource and confirm that the connection is active. Create a new Retool app by selecting a blank canvas or choosing a suitable template. Add components like tables, forms, buttons, and charts using the drag-and-drop editor to build your app interface. Connect each component to your API data by setting the data source to the API resource you created earlier. Save and deploy the app once you are satisfied to make it accessible to your team or organization. Thank you for watching.